What's good, my wonderful people? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I won't take too long, guys. I just wanna show you guys my trade live video as usual. So if you want, you can like it. If not, just stay tuned and enjoy the video. Yeah. So basically, what do we have here? We had the opening. Today is Monday. We had a huge gap. Yeah. And basically, it kind of tried to fill up this gap. What I'm expecting right now, yeah, the price action kind of start making higher highs and lower highs. Right now made a huge push, pull back. Right now I'm expecting the price action to go here. I did open a trade around here. I'm gonna pull my stop loss and I'm gonna look for 1 to 1.5 risk to reward ratio, something like that. So it's gonna be something like that. Something like that. So we will see how the price action will develop itself. If you wanna see it, just stay tuned and you will see the result. Oh, by the way, I forgot to show you. Yeah, so here is the entry. Yeah, once I saw this price action, I enter a trade and right now just keep consolidating. I still do hope that the price action will eventually get to this because it needs to fill up that gap. And yeah, we'll see how it's gonna go. Stay tuned, guys. This trade takes forever, man, to get the target hit. The reason why we had yesterday this push, then pull back, and when start making his way up, I enter a trade. I showed you that, and I'm still there in the trade. I'm still waiting for the price action to hit my TP. The problem with that is they took basically this high, and then they actually pulled back all the way to my break-even area, and then right now kind of start making his way move back up. But right now, before New York session next day, they start kind of getting slow. I do hope on the New York Open they will gonna spike up, keep my TP, and who knows, maybe then they can go down. But we don't know. Me basically, I don't know where the price action is gonna go. The only thing what I can anticipate is just to stay patient and wait for one or the other to be heated. So just stay tuned and I will obviously show you the results, guys, and we will go from there. If it's gonna be any other setup, I still gonna take, but first I would like to end up with this setup. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you're gonna like it and wait for the end for the result. Peace. Yeah, guys, so we are kind of here about to take TP, but we will see because we still are here, and at this point it's very common sense for the price action to usually what it likes to do just to come down and stop me out. That will price action a lot of times he likes to do it. And obviously, how I said, I'm still in the trade since yesterday. We've been waiting for all that time, and I do hope that the price action will make an extra push up and hit our TP. I really would like to see that because it's just taking too long for this price action to develop itself. But there is a big chance that the price action just will then make another push up, and obviously we're gonna hit our TP and we will move on for the next setup if will happen. Stay tuned. Guys, I'm glad to say that we finally did hit our TP. So it took longer than we thought, but eventually the price action did develop itself on our way. So I do really hope this video you are gonna catch some good information, and obviously this is the reality of trading, guys. Sometimes winning, sometimes losing. So basically, if you did like and enjoy this video, make sure you're gonna like it and comment down below if you do really want to see more of these videos. Stay tuned, stay safe, stay disciplined, and I wish you a wonderful, beautiful trading week. Peace and love, guys. I'm out.